I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling text-to-speech and checking permissions. Open Roblox settings, find accessibility, and toggle text-to-speech on. This provides the system voice engine. Next, make sure your account email is verified and any parental controls allow TTS, because without permission, the feature won't run. Once done, update the Roblox client on your device so you have the current voice library and bug fixes. This reduces errors and ensures compatibility when you proceed to add TTS in-game. You now add TTS within a game session where developers enabled it. Type the TTS command or prefix exactly as the game requires, then choose a voice and speed if options appear. This determines tone and pacing so players hear clear speech. Make sure to respect character limits and Roblox's profanity filters, because filtered text will alter output. If language or accent settings exist, set them before sending. Once the parameters match your needs, trigger the TTS to hear a preview and confirm clarity. You finish by deploying TTS for players or fixing issues. For custom experiences, use Roblox developer APIs to call text service or remote events so scripted lines play in context. This gives control over timing and localization. Test on PC and mobile because voice engines and latency differ, and adjust speed or splits if words cut off. If TTS fails, re-enable the setting, clear the client cache, and confirm account permissions. This single troubleshooting step resolves most missing audio problems and gets speech working again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.